Alright, next video. We'll open up a Fusion Strike box. I got this like, I think November of last year maybe. And I just have not opened it. But I've been chilling with it. I got it at the same time I got the celebration packs. So let's open up this one. Perfect. Beautiful. Obviously, we're gonna keep these. I like these. I like collecting the different ETBs things. So we're gonna put this off to the side. And we're gonna jump straight into the box. To the side. To the side. Player guide. Got your packs. A Fusion Strike. I gotta do my thing. So obviously in these we're looking for the Gengar or the Mew, and if we can get one, that would be amazing. Wow, we got 2 packs of each. Cool, cool. So, let's see. We'll start with Boltund, Genesect, Gengar, Mew. What else did we get in here? Oh, you got your dividers. 2 colorways. Nice, nice, nice. And then you, I gotta readjust my camera view. Energy cards. Standard. Trading TCG pack. Card sleeves. Here's a die for these ones. I like these ones more than the ones that came in the Arceus Brilliant Stars ETB tokens. I'll leave these in here. I don't think I'll be using these. Off to the side. I need a drink of water first. This Hydro Flask might be the best $40 I've ever spent. What am I talking about? Look at all these Pokemon cards. Way better than hydrating. We're getting right into it. Trying to make this a fairly quick video. 1, 2, 3, 4, because I feel like all my videos have been pretty lengthy. Alright, Energy, Crossseaver, Sligoo, Clawitzer, Stuffle, Sandygast, Plusle, Vulpix, Meltan, and Croconaw, and oh, we're starting off strong. Cinderace V. Is this a good sign, or are they just like teasing me by giving me something good immediately and then nothing for the rest of the packs? I hope it's the first time. I hope it's the first thing. I would hate to not get any more cards other than this. Again, putting the price during editing. Alright, so I'll be honest, I don't think, if you saw my last video, I got an Airshifter VMAX, the gold, the like gold one. And I don't think anything's gonna top that. I really don't. One, two, three, four to the front. Energy, quick ball. I got a gold rare of this one. Bear Scuda. Copperaja? I don't know how to say his name. Galarian Meowth. Gossifleur. Pampor. Eevee. Shanks. Ninetales. Ooh, Vikavolt. Next pack, Genesect. Sect. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Energy Sponge Gloves. That's so weird. Corvisquire, Sandslash, Toxel, Starly, Mawile, Makahita, Pampor, Shroomish, and Azumarill. It's a bust. It's a dud. Next one, last Genesect one. Bang. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Let's do this. Energy. Power Tablet. Dart. Galarian Darmanitan. I don't remember ever seeing these in the game. Phalanx. Shelmet. Jobber. Bunnelly. Mudkip. Mudkip was my go-to in Hoenn. Totodile. Choodle. And Palisand. Yeah, whenever I ran through Emerald or Ruby and Sapphire, I would always go Mudkip. Swampert was just way too strong. I mean, yeah, he was super weak to grass, but let's get a fire type. Ninetales. Done. Easy business. Or a flying type. Talo and Swallow? I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4. I always had very specific teams. Energy. Adventurer's Discovery. Schoolgirl. Luxio. Toxel. Totodile. Baneri. Clobopus, yeah. Tenemo. Minum. Toxicroak. I really like Toxicroak. It's just, it never made sense to have him in Diamond and Pearl because he's so weak to Psychic. Being a fighting poison type, oh my goodness. One confusion and he's out. One, 2, 3, 4. But as he looks cool, and Krogunk in the anime was, he was the best character in there. Always keeping Brock, honest. Energy, Wigglytuff, Phalanx, Simisear, Shelmet, Plusle, Muna, Meowth, Meryl, Barraskewda, Oricorio. Okay, yeah, I said it right. I have the shiny vault of Barraskewda. Alright, 2 packs left. I got it. Had no idea what it was. I was like, oh, this is a different design. And I got like, I have a couple shiny vault ones. Not too many. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Oops, energy, Judge, Excadrill, Trevenant, Mankey, Clauncher, Growlithe, Stuffle, Sigilyph, Sizzlipede, and Kangaskhan. Oh my goodness, I think it's coming into fruition. I'm not gonna get anything good. Oh, this is so sad. I only got this under his V. This is tragic. Someone took my good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Energy, Primate, Simipour, Bugcatcher, Smeargle. What is he doing? Like painting in the water? Okay. Carvana, Clamperl, Morpeko, Skarmory, Hawlucha, Landers. This is so bad. Legit, the only card we got from all 8 was the Cinderace. That's tragic. That was not a good ETB. That was disappointment. I was gonna stop for the day, but now I'm opening up another one. I need something to get this out of my mouth. Oh my. No. That was a bad one. That was so bad. Unfortunate. Alright. We're gonna end this video here. Sorry I couldn't pull better cards for you guys. Sorry I couldn't pull better cards for myself. But on to the next box. Like, subscribe, do your thing. Bye.